Hello guys, today we're gonna make a Gal 8 Lego machine gun. So this is like really easy. You just need like 5 pieces for it. Let's get started. First you're gonna need this piece right over here. That. And then you're gonna need this black looking piece for Technic. Then you need to get this Lego 2x1 with a hole. Then you're gonna need this one. Sorry. And then you need this piece. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first, you're gonna need... Sorry, technical issue, I guess. First you're gonna need this piece and that piece. And then put it together, with the front right over here. Not the back, the front. Alright? And then you need to put it in here. Just give me a sec. There. And then you're gonna need this looking piece. And then put it in any way you want. Doesn't matter. Give me a sec. And then you're gonna need this double piece looking thing, and then put it in the back with this side, not this side, this side. Give me a sec. And then you're gonna need this 2x1 with a hole, and then put it inside. There we go. We have a Gal 8 looking thing. Please subscribe. I have like 3 subscribers, so please like and for Cookie, please. Please, I need those subscribers, please. My videos are very low quality. If you look through one of my videos, most of my videos are like flip a clip. Yeah. Bye.